you're going to say the sentence, like the word and the sentence that is like hard to say. In Thai
Mhm.
it's like กล้วยอบเนยโรยเกลือ Can you say it? Now we're gonna try in English. Let's try this. I saw Susie sitting in the shoe shine shop. Okay, I saw Susie sitting in a shoe shine shop. Today we're gonna use this sentence, okay? Now we speak like normal, like just speak like some sentence, right? Now we're gonna add the emotion. How about that? Okay, I'm gonna say like the emotion and you add in it. Easy first. Happy. Happy. Let me try first. I saw Susie sitting in a shoe shine shop. I love it. Very good.